bonuses for guys, teammates, how to go about doing bonuses and issuing bonuses and things like
Mhm.
that so they don't become expected. They're random and a true reward.
I'm just taking some notes here. Write this down. I have a term for you.
Okay.
It's called variable rate rewards. Variable rate rewards. This is the most effective bonus system. This is what makes Las Vegas gambling so profitable. Now, I don't agree with it with gambling. This is also what makes social media so successful, like Facebook and anything else that keeps us growing. Variable rate rewards. What that means is the rewards are variable, they're random. It's a random rate. There's no set rate so that they don't expect it. And so the reason that social media is effective because we keep going back to see, do I have a message? Right? Do I have a little notification? Do I have an icon? Did I miss a message? Did I miss a post? Did I miss a meme? Okay. The casinos, they keep throwing those coins in and hitting that slot machine, thinking maybe it'll be the next one. Maybe I'll hit it big on the next one. Maybe it'll be the next one. Maybe it'll be the next one. Right. And once in a while, somebody hits. Ooh, but it's random, variable rate rewards. So what's it look like for your team? I give them variable rate rewards. I give them random bonuses, random bonuses. I'd flip them a crispy 50 here or there. And that is the most effective for bonuses. I do not like Christmas bonuses. On Christmas, instead, I gave away tools and clothes and just fun stuff, gifts, but
Yeah.
not a bonus, not a financial bonus, because it's not a bonus. Then they come to expect it. And that's one of the big takeaways from the movie Christmas Vacation, right? With Chevy Chase.
Yeah.
He put all his savings down on the deposit for a pool because he was expecting the Christmas bonus. Instead, he got Jelly of the Month Club. And even though his cousin Eddie so eloquently put it out, that's the gift that keeps on giving, Clark. It came from that mentality that he expected a bonus. And that's not a bonus. That's just part of payroll.
Yeah.
So if you're going to give Christmas bonuses, don't call it a bonus because that's not, it's that then they're expected. So variable rate rewards, just random. I knew one day one of my leads was struggling with cash flow and it was coming up to Christmas, and I just handed him $500. I said, I just want you to know, I really appreciate you. I don't want you to struggle. Use this as you see fit. Hopefully, you can do a little something special with your family. And he almost broke down crying, you know.
Yeah, I
And
imagine.
yeah, and he became a lifer as he was in. He was part, like he fought for the team harder than I did. Not that we didn't fight, but he was just,
Yeah, yeah.
and that meant everything. He didn't expect it, and he was very grateful for it. So variable rate rewards.
Okay. And can you base those on production for say a job and just be
Yep.
like throwing out for that? Because I don't want them to expect that every job they do a great job on, we're gonna have a
Mhm.
bonus, but we want to definitely give them the bonuses they deserve.
Yeah, absolutely. So you can keep an eye on it on your end,
Hmm.
and if they beat some jobs. Keep a checks and balance tally, like your check register, under, over, and so that you know exactly where you're at. Because if you bonus them for every job they beat, and you don't bonus them for the jobs that they go over, you want to keep a grand total of
Hmm.
make sure you're ahead, make sure you're netting positive, right? And those
Yeah.
hours for all those projects before you hand out bonuses.
Perfect. Awesome.
Mhm.